How no post picture, how no start talk out the whole how no relationship, and we act man we bad. Then hypocritical mackers now. We feed them life sappy like piece of cloth. Some of them life so dirty, then live in a bare misery, then come on the internet and start disrespect you, and then some start disrespect your girlfriend. And the way how them angle both town, on afraid to go back together because if you no walk and people see you know walk, them all laugh off town because say, look pan how him that chat about the girl and some people style her and way you no need that. You and your girlfriend have a little problem. If she want to go away and spend a little time, whether with friends or family, you love her. You use the same phone in your call her and say, you want me now. No, say, me I have one little foolishness, you know, and we need to